Hello, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change the mode of your Windows 10 or color of your Windows 10. Before starting the lecture, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get it started with the tutorial. In the very first step, go to the setting and click on the settings. Now go to the personalization option and click on it. You will get this screen. Now go to colors and click on this. Now here you are going to change the color of your windows. You will see you are seeing this disable option because my Windows has not been updated. That's why this option is disabled. In your window, if your Windows is activated, you will see here the black or light options. Just open this drop down option and select the option whatever you like, the light option or the dark option. If you choose the dark option, the mode of your Windows or the color of your Windows will become dark. So thank you for watching the tutorial. Once again, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a like on this video. Thank you.